Good day, everyone. I'm Shaina Bianca de la Cruz, and I'm going to present my business plan. First is the executive summary. As a web developer and UI designer, I specialize in creating functional and visually appealing website and UI design for businesses and individuals. Next is the business idea. A strong online presence is a key to success in today's market. I provide end-to-end web development services, helping your business connect with customers and thrive online. Next is the business models. First is the marketplace model. It allows me to offer services on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, as well as sell digital products like templates and UI kits for passive income. Meanwhile, in advertising model, by using platforms such as Google Ads, social media ads, and even YouTube ads, I can target a specific customer such as business owners, startups, and entrepreneurs. Next is my strengths. My greatest strength is to create a responsive website by the use of CSS framework such as Bootstrap and Tailwind. Next is my weaknesses. My greatest weakness is the limited experience of using a framework as I am only using a plain code for programming. Next is the opportunities. My greatest opportunity would be to connect with many clients and use social media to promote my services easily. Next is the threats. My greatest threat is the quick changes in technologies, as I would continuously need to adapt and learn with new trends. Next is the fourth piece of marketing a new venture. My services offered are front-end development, back-end development, and UI designing. For promotion strategies are essential for building visibility, attracting clients such as creating a portfolio, and leveraging my social media. For my pricing, it can be per hour, project-based, commission-based, or agreement with the client. Next is the place. My place would be my home as I am a freelancer and I am working remotely. For competitor analysis, first is the website builder, as it doesn't require any coding. Next is developer, as there are also many skilled web developers. And lastly, for raising capital, I prefer to use my personal funds as it offers flexibility, simplicity, and control over my money. And that's all, and thank you.